everyone, this is my third YouTube video. So in this video I am going to explain about rationalization and how to rationalize a particular number. So let's go to the board. So what is rationalization? So rationalization is the process of removing suds from the denominator. So in simple words, it is the process of removing the root sign from the denominator. We have to remove this sign. So the basic step is, if there is a question 1 by root 3, so we will just multiply this by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. This is case 1. So root 3 into root 3 is 3 and root 3 by 3. So this will be the answer. And in case 2, suppose there is a sign in the denominator, suppose plus or minus. For example, root 3 plus root 2. So to remove this, to rationalize this number, we will do the same thing. We will multiply it by the opposite sign in denominator and in the numerator. Opposite signs. The opposite of plus is minus and the opposite of minus is plus. Okay. So, and here we will use the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So to simplify this, root 3 square minus root 2 square, and in the numerator root 3 minus root 2 into 1 is root 3 minus root 2. So root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 square is root 3 into root 3, which is equal to 3 and minus 2. So by 1 root 3 minus root 2, so this will be the answer. So let's proceed to some questions. So my first question is, rationalize 3 by root 5. This is a very easy question. So the solution for this question is, we will multiply both the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. 3 root 5, 5 times root 5 times root 5 is equal to 5. This is the answer. So the next question is, this is a little bit confusing. 1 by root 12. It is confusing because we can solve it by two methods. First is, we can just simply multiply root 12 by root 12. So the answer will be root 12 by 12. But there is one more method. What is 12? 12 is 4 into 3. And what is 4? 4 is 2 into 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 into 3 root. So 2 into 3, so we will take it common and take it out of the root sign. So it will be 1 by 2 root 3. So we will just multiply this root 3. So root 3 by 2 will be the answer. So the next question is question number 3. 1 by 3 plus root 2. This is the question of case 2. So the solution is, we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by this number, but the opposite signs. 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. So we will follow the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this will result in root 3 minus root 2 by 9 minus 2. Oh sorry, 3 minus root 2 by 7. This is the answer. So there is one more type of question. This is the most common question asked in any competition or any type of school exams. So the question is, if a is equal to root 2 plus 1, then find a minus 1 by a. So the value of a will be root 2 plus 1. So this is simplified. But the value of 1 by a, so 1 by a will be root 2 plus 1. So we will rationalize this number. See, we take this number to rationalize because we can multiply it by this number, because we can cut this number easily. So this is equal to 1, and multiplying our equation with 1 does not result in any other number. So we take this type of number, root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. So the rationalized form is this of this number is, we will follow the identity. So 2 minus 1 is equal to root 2 minus 1. So the value of a is root 2 plus 1 and the value of 1 by a is root 2 minus 1. So just root 2 plus 1 minus root 2 plus 1. This cut, so 2 will be the answer. So thank you friends for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my video.